In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a profile in Microsoft Edge. If you use multiple profiles in Edge, for example, one for work and one for personal browsing, there may come a time when you want to tidy things up and remove one you no longer need. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and I'll point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. This works the same on Windows and Mac OS, and the interface is nearly identical across recent versions. Next, look to the top right corner of the Edge window and click the profile icon. It might show your initials or a small avatar. This opens a panel where you can see the profile you're currently using, along with any other profiles that are set up on this device. Before removing anything, make sure you're targeting the right profile. If the one you want to delete isn't active, select it from the list to switch to it. This helps avoid accidentally removing the wrong one, especially if you've given your profiles similar names or icons. Now, in that same profile panel, find the profile you want to remove. Depending on your version of Edge, you'll see either a three-dot menu next to it or a small trash can icon. Click that control. A menu or prompt will appear with the option to remove the profile. Choose Remove. Edge will show a confirmation pop-up so you can review what's about to happen. When you remove a profile, it's local data on this device, things like browsing history, cookies, cache, downloads list, installed extensions for that profile, and profile-specific settings, will be deleted from this computer. If that profile was signed in with a Microsoft account and had sync turned on, your synced items, such as favorites and passwords, remain in your account and on other devices where you use that profile. You're only removing the local profile from this device. When you're sure, confirm the removal. A quick tip before you confirm. If you have favorites or passwords you want to keep on this device and you're not using sync, consider exporting them first. Also, if the remove option appears grayed out, make sure you're not currently using that profile in any open Edge window. Switch to a different profile or close those windows, then try again. On managed or work devices, removal might be restricted by your administrator. Once you confirm, Edge removes the profile and returns you to the main window. That's it. If you need to clean up additional profiles, repeat the process. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.